The WELCO 770 resistance comparator compares two DC resistances and displays the percent of deviation of the resistance connected across the RX, or resistance under test terminals, to the resistance connected across the RREF, or reference terminals. I'm going to demonstrate the accuracy and speed of the instrument. I have an IET Labs model RS201 resistance substitution box connected across the reference terminals. This model has an accuracy of 0.1%, currently selling for $324, and we've recommended it be used as a reference resistance to many customers who don't want to permanently connect one of their precision resistor decade standards to the test station. Together with the WELCO 770, they make up a nice compact test station for around $1,000. I have a precision resistor decade box connected across the RX terminals for this demonstration. I'm going to start by selecting 10K ohms on both decade boxes. The instrument has an accuracy to within 0.1% plus 1 LSD over most of the range. It is common to see the readout off 1 LSD because of the inherent quadrature error in all digital displays. So let me get to 10K. All right. So on the 1K ohm per step switch, I'm going to go up to 1, which is going to be 10% over. 20%, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% over. And I'll leave that on 9 and go to 0 on the 10K switch. So now we're 10% under. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80%, 90, 100%. All right, now I'm going to step up to the 100 ohm. 100K ohm per step switch, and again I'm at 0. Now the 10K ohm per step, I'm going to go to 1, which is 10% over, 20, 30%, 40%, 50. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to drop down to the 1K ohm, select 1K, which is 51% over, 52, 53, 54, 55% over, and I'll step down to 100 ohm per step switch and come up 1, which is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5%. So I'm 55.5% over 100K ohms. Let's zero all these and go up to the 1 meg per step switch. And I'll show you what it looks like up there. So I'm increment 10%, 20%, 30%, 40, 50, you see it's a little slower, a little noisier. I don't have shielded leads. There's little current up here and a lot of resistance. Now this decade only goes down to 100 ohm per steps. So I'm going to select 5. I can't show you an increment up through the way I did the other switches. I'm going to select 500 ohms on both decades. I'll go to 600 ohms on the 100 ohm switch, and that'll be 20% over. 7 will be 40% over. 8 will be 60% over. And let's go the other way down to 400, be minus 20, minus 40, minus 60%.